almost killed a man back there.
Did ya?
What's up guys, Scott here. Welcome to my shed. Today we're going to be going over my 06 KX250. Going to be getting it ready for a ride tomorrow. Got to give it a power wash. As you can see, it's still pretty dirty from my last ride. Yeah, we'll be going over the air filter, nuts and bolts, check the oils, tire pressures, all that. I got some new grips to put on it. And yeah, hopefully tomorrow's going to be something. Now we gotta see if we can get this power washer to start. Alright. See if there's any water or anything in this float bowl. Saved a few bucks on this power washer at Princess Auto, but I'm starting to see why I saved a few bucks. I let it sit for more than a week and it does this to me. Usually I can give her a little shake and get her going, but it's not working for me today. And as you can see, that's a self-tapping screw for the float bowl. Okay, let's see if there's any water in here. Probably hard to tell, but yeah, it's gonna be hard to see. It's mostly water in that float bowl. I'll put it in a clear tub so maybe you guys can see that a little better, but that'll stop something from running. Halfway down that line is that's all water. So that should have my problem fixed. We'll get her back together and get her running in a minute here. See if it starts.
Time to get the arm pump out of the way. Oh god, that was close. That was close. I almost killed a man back there.
Did ya?
That's icy. Not really. class rider stuff. Oh, I love that climb. Whoa. I didn't commit. Oh, let's see how rock this. Here's my kickstand. Oh, I love this spot. What a beauty. Oh, where'd you go, Tyler? I hear him.
Whew. Do I look as sweaty as I feel? Oh, that wind's cold. Warm while you're riding though. As long as you stay off the main road and stick to the trails. What a beautiful view. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. You want to see more content like this? Kind of want to stick to build and ride videos, so I build it, then I'll ride it.
Nothing.
All right, we're back from the ride. Camera died while I was out there, so I couldn't get the rest of it in there. Hopefully I'll be able to find my second battery for next ride so that doesn't happen. But yeah, we're home. Got the power washer hooked up. Just gonna give this thing a rinse and get her tucked away for the night. All right, got her all rinsed off. I'm probably gonna hit it with some shampoo, give it one more rinse, and then we're gonna put it away. And the next video I'll be making is stripping this bike apart. I got a grocery list of stuff that needs to be done. I've been beating it up trail riding for the last 5 years, so certainly it needs a little loving. So that's my plan for the next video, is get this thing stripped apart, get some new parts on it. You know, new graphics, whatever. So if there's a color scheme you guys like to see on these old KXs, let me know in the comments below. I'd like to hear your thoughts and see what I can't come up with. Gonna let that soak on for a couple minutes. Give her a rinse off, dry it off, put it away, and then gonna get ordering parts. So hopefully in the next week or two there'll be an update video of stripping this thing apart, and then yeah, I don't know if I'll do a series of teardown and refinishing all the parts, or if I'm just gonna strip it all down in one video and then the next video build it all back up. So let me know what you guys want to see. Do you want to see a longer format, 20-30 minute long video, or do you like shorter 5-10 minute long videos? So let me know in the comments below. Your feedback is super helpful. All right. It's been soaking for about 5 minutes. Okay, one sec. My daughter's calling me in for dinner, so I'm just gonna get this thing rinsed off, and I think we'll call it a night.